Okay, so what I'm going to do now is show you how to do resend, like do some things where it has to do with resending and resending to unopened uh, people or members. So we used this test in an earlier video, and I'm going to go ahead and remove this test now by clicking the delete function on the right hand side and go ahead and confirm to delete it. And I'm going to go into a broadcast message that has already been sent. This is an actual real message. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in, we're going to view and send this message again. And you can see that I can start out with the original screen, and I can go ahead and click continue, and I can go to the attachment screen where in this case it wasn't used. I click continue, and now I'm back here. Now these 236 people received this email, and you can see here that I have an option to resend that email specifically to that person. You can also see when they opened it. You can also go at the top and you can remove all of them. Now if you were to send this message out again and you made no changes, but you went in and you said all full member plans and you check this and you click this box, this button, what will happen is it will populate it again with and add any members that are new, but it will not, and they'll be added, and it will not have a resend next to it because they've never received it. But when you go and send it, we'll send it to all the new ones, but it will not send it to these. Now what you can do is you can resend to unopened. These are the people that did not open. Remember, we had a 35% open rate. Resend it to all the people that did not open it. You can remove them all if you'd like, or you can force a resend to all, and that would clear these flags. Now, when you do set up a brand new list and you have everybody listed here, you'll also see in that case a little button over here for remove. So let's say if Sammy Azam, for instance, which is listed here, was somebody that you know may not appreciate seeing that email, then you can just press delete or remove, and they'll come off that list, and then you can send the email and they won't receive it. So that's how you select and resend to all.